Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this short lecture, I am going to explain you mass party. Mass party is a type of political party that develops its manifesto and its policy programs around societal cleavages, and such type of political party mobilizes commoners, ordinary citizens or masses to be a part of the political process, to influence political process, and ultimately such commoners and such ordinary citizens get mobilized and they join that political party. When that political party gets the membership of a large scale people, especially the membership of the commoners, the membership of the ordinary citizens, and they overwhelmingly join that party, such party is known or termed as mass party. Before joining Gandhi, Indian National Congress was not considered a mass party. लेकिन जब मोहनदास करमचंद गांधी ने इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस को ज्वाइन कर लिया, तो उनके ज्वाइन करने के बाद इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस को मैस पार्टी का स्टेटस मिल गया, मैस पार्टी कहलाई जाने लगी।